Flat grater stainless. Steel 3-in-1 slicer multifunction. Food compatibility, cheese, fruits, salad and vegetable. The sharp stainless steel. Shredding holes ensure efficient performance. The kitchen hand tool. Can be used as a grater, a slicer and a peeler. Its a large grating surface is made from stainless steel. It's reinforced with a stainless steel frame. Perfect for grating cheese, especially hard cheese. Features: adjustable, thickness, dishwasher safe, and easy clean. Making method compressor. Excellent for lemon, ginger, onions, garlic, daikon radish, nutmeg, carrots, cauliflower, chocolate, and fresh spices. 2 different sizes of holes. And a scraper designed for your convenience to use. Feature: adjustable dishwasher, safe and easy to clean. You will get the pad, very reasonable price for $49 online. Grates, slices and shreds with 3 different cutting areas. Perfect for grating surface, made from stainless steel. With a medium and coarse grating surface, it is ideal for onions, potatoes, cheeses and even citrus. Convenient use and cleaning. The ergonomic handle is comfortable and easy to hold, which gives you good control. The middle slicing surface creates even slices for sandwiches. Two different sizes of holes and blades are designed for your convenience to use. After using it, you can hang it on the wall and keep it dry. So slice, shred, and sizzle with the stainless steel grater.